the Permanent Secretary for Employment, Productivity and Industrial Relations, the selected PLS and seasonal workers, members of the media, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, Bulvinaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. Once again, I'm happy to be here to close your one-week pre-departure briefing, and also, as mentioned by the Master of Ceremony, to farewell you all who will soon depart our shores for employment opportunities in Australia. I was informed by my team that there are a total of 82 selected workers here today, of which 17 of you will be deployed as aged care workers, 25 workers for the meat industry, 32 for fresh produce group, and 8 for plant cropping as seasonal workers. I want to remind all of you, value this opportunity. And your time in Australia, please be connected with your loved ones back here. The hard work put in by your co-workers already in Australia has opened this window of opportunity for all of you. You all are so lucky to be selected because the workers over there have already created that brand, the Fiji brand. And I'm here personally to remind you of that brand. So please remember that this is an give and take opportunity. Meaning that you must sacrifice, cooperate through hard work, commitment, dedication, and discipline for it to be successful. Last week, I have farewelled 63 of your colleagues, and I reminded them of the Fijian brand that I just spoke. That through the efforts demonstrated by our colleagues under the meat industry in assisting the residents of aged care facility during the floods in Australia. That is the brand that I'm talking about. And the residents over there have asked the Australian government if they can be given PR. So you are going, and if you want your other Fijians to have this opportunity, you need to do the same thing. And I have been reminding this to all the groups that are going under this PLS and seasonal work program. And there is a lot of demand. But you need to play your part. You're not only going there as a worker, but you are there as our ambassadors as well. So please keep this in mind. I'm not trying to be blunt, but I also want to remind all of you that this is not a holiday trip. All these industries require, as I mentioned earlier on, dedicated and disciplined workers. So if you are disciplined, you're going to reap the rewards of your hard work. If you come across difficulties or challenges, please follow the procedures that you have learned during this training session. There are grievances procedures in place. Follow that. Don't take things in your own hand. Do not be selfish and make decisions that will prevent your fellow Fijians from getting that same opportunity. Talon with your other colleagues, your team leaders, your supervisors, or welfare officers on the ground. Call or email the team back here, and I hope they've given the email and phone contact. Because I believe most of you, maybe this is the first time that you're going to Australia. So, there can be some difficulties, challenges, but there is also a way to resolve, and that is through the grievances procedures that is in place. So don't take, I want to say, don't take things in your own hand and make decisions. So, congratulations to all of you once again. I'd also like to say thank you to our partners, the Australian government, together with the approved employers for this opportunity for all of us who are here. I want to wish you all the very best. God bless. Vinaka.
It's an honor for me this afternoon to take this time to thank you, sir, our Honorable Minister for Employment, that you are part of our departure this afternoon, that we will be leaving our shore for a good opportunity in few days to come. We are blessed, and I would like to ask my fellow colleagues to show appreciation in the usual manner.